Hey team! Happy to see you part of today's fun. In this section here, 165 divided by 165, which equals 1, and 165 divided by 165 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 165 divided by 165 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 165 divided by 165, and we can write this part as 1 over 165 divided by 165. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 165 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 165, which equals 1 over 27,225. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts.